Have you ever copied passwords on your iPhone, or sensitive photos, or sensitive information like tax information or your social security number? If you have, then potentially that is still stored in the clipboard of your iPhone that you definitely want to go in and make sure you clear, especially immediately after copying that sensitive information. I'll show you exactly how to do it and an easy trick to do that. So for instance, let's open up the Notes app here. And if I double tap on this, double tap and hit copy, and then tap somewhere else and tap again and hit paste, you can see that word or that sensitive or information, whatever it may be, is still in my clipboard. Let's delete that by using a shortcut. So all you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down and type in shortcuts. And tap on the default shortcuts app here. From here, tap on gallery at the bottom right, and then tap on search at the top, and search for clipboard. After you tap on search, tap on use your clipboard under collections. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on clear all clipboards. Then tap on add shortcut. And now you have added that to your shortcuts, but let's use it and make it easy to use. So tap on library at the bottom left, and you'll see here's clear all clipboards. Tap on that and you can see it says allow all clipboards to be copied. Tap on allow, and then essentially it clears it. I would also recommend tapping those three dots at the top right, and then tapping the drop down arrow at the top and just choosing add to home screen. After you've done that, you can choose a symbol, whatever you want. If you wanted a different symbol or color, just tap on add. And now all you need to do after you copied that sensitive information is just tap on that shortcut that you just created and it will clear the clipboard. I'll show you that it works. So I just copied this video, Word, and if I tap on paste here, it just doesn't do anything. It completely wiped out my clipboard and all of the sensitive information that might be stored in there. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.